Hiding your online status on Monster 2025 can help maintain your privacy while using the platform. Follow these steps to adjust your settings. Step 1. Login. Access your Monster 2025 account by entering your username and password on the login page. Step 2. Go to Settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found in the upper right corner of the screen, often represented by a gear or profile icon. Step 3. Privacy options. In the Settings menu, look for a section labeled Privacy or Online Status. Click on this option to access your privacy settings. Step 4. Adjust online status. Find the option that allows you to control your online visibility. You may see options like Show Online Status or Hide Online Status. Select the option to hide your online status. Step 5. Save changes. After making your selection, ensure you save your changes. Look for Save or Apply button at the bottom of the settings page and click it to confirm your new privacy settings. By following these steps, you can successfully hide your online status on Monster 2025, enhancing your privacy while using the platform.